Heavy, heavy. The groceries were so heavy on me. Look like I'm gonna hit that Aunt Viv. When she had the pink outfit on and she was hitting that shirt. Hey, I gotta insert a clip. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Aunt Viv hit that thing. Hey. So I was at Aldi's today. And basically, let me give you a little rundown. I'm basically on a journey to healing myself. I'm on a journey to balancing my hormones for my hormonal acne and just, you know, overall getting to a space where I feel good physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. And I truly do believe food is medicine. You know, I also am trying to heal my womb so that my periods are not so bad and I'm not cramping and tired and bleeding heavy for so long, and you know, all these different things. I'm going to show you what I got in my Aldi's haul today, and I'm going to tell you exactly how much I spent. So I hope you all enjoy this video. Drinking a little kombucha. So like I was saying, I'm basically going to be eating more fresh fruits and vegetables. I'm going to just be eating like one cooked meal a day, and that'll be dinner. And in the midday, I'm going to be eating like a big salad full of fresh vegetables, some fruits, some greens. And in the morning time, we're going to be doing berries and green juices and lemon water detox drinks and just so many good things. I'm going to be sharing some of the things that I've been researching, like foods that's good for balancing hormones and different things like that. It's going to be more videos to come, so don't think this will be the first time that you're hearing, you know, about my journey of healing myself and balancing my hormones and all things like that. This is just like where we're starting, because like I said, food is medicine. So let's get into the food. Okay, if y'all like this necklace, I do make them. They will be in my Etsy shop soon. This, I do make, like I said, I do make them myself. They're all intuitively made. They're made in an energetically cleansed space and cleansed and charged before they're made. So yeah. I am now making wire wrapped crystal necklaces. We are starting out with some organic baby spinach and arugula, organic mixed greens, classic coleslaw mix. Instead of getting cabbage, I was just gonna get cabbage, and I was like, you know what, I'll throw this in the salad. It's already cut up so easy. Organic blueberries. I got 2 of these. So if I got 2 of something, I'm not gonna show them both. I'll just let y'all know I got 2 of them. I got 2 containers of organic strawberries, GTS's Synergy Raw Kombucha in the flavor Trilogy, and then I got GTS's Synergy Raw Kombucha in the flavor Cosmic Cranberry, Health Aid Kombucha, 2 of them in the flavor Pomegranate. Love kombucha. Love kombucha. Benefits of kombucha: get those healthy bacteria in that gut, along with your probiotics. Got some gluten-free spinach wraps, a bag of cherries. I haven't had cherries in so long, but they're such a delicious snack. Of mini avocados, 2 containers of blackberries. I would have got organic, but they didn't have organic grapes. Got some romaine lettuce, bag of mini sweet peppers, some ginger. Need the ginger for that. Stomach and anti-inflammatory. Some cilantro, good for the blood. Fresh garlic, Brussels sprouts, okra. Y'all, I've never ever purchased okra before, but I was reading in Queen of Food's Sacred Woman that it was good for, I forgot what she said it was good for, but I'm probably just gonna throw it in my salad because yeah, it'll be crunchy. Some quinoa, organic quinoa, organic blue corn tortilla chips, organic yellow corn tortilla chips, both gluten-free. Organic extra virgin olive oil, I'm gonna show y'all the drink I'm gonna be making with this. That also came from Queen of Food's Sacred Woman book. It's for liver and kidney detoxification, if I'm not mistaken. Stay tuned for that video. I'll make a whole separate video about that detox drink. This is some zesty Italian dressing. They didn't really have too many options for dairy-free dressings, and you know, Italian is pretty classic and standard. You can't go too wrong with it, but definitely check the ingredients sometimes, because sometimes it's milk in there. Medium avocados is four big old cucumbers. 4 of those. I'm gonna be juicing some of them and then putting some in water for cucumber water. It's really good. If you haven't tried cucumber water and you hate plain water, try cucumber water. 3 cans of organic black beans. Gonna be using black beans this week for my protein source. Got a can of organic lentil soup. Y'all, this soup, y'all, it's so good. You can get this soup right here and put it over some rice or put it over some quinoa. Honey, you got you a little meal. Get you some greens, get you some kale, or get you some Brussels sprouts or whatever you want to use for your greens. That's a meal, baby. Pineapple chunks. I like these pineapple chunks because they just come in pineapple juice with no extra sugar, and they are great for a snack. In this bag, I got blue corn tortilla chips, organic blue corn tortilla chips, and organic yellow corn tortilla chips. Both gluten-free. Well, what happened to this? Both gluten-free. Got some organic extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna show y'all the drink I'm gonna be making with this. That also came from Queen of Food's Sacred Woman book. It's for liver and kidney detoxification, if I'm not mistaken. Stay tuned for that video. I'll make a whole separate video about that detox drink. This is some zesty Italian dressing. They didn't really have too many options for dairy-free dressings, and you know, Italian is pretty classic and standard. You can't go too wrong with it, but definitely check the ingredients sometimes, because sometimes it's milk in there. Got 2 medium avocados. I don't know if those are medium or large, but 2 of those. And then in this bag is 4 big old cucumbers. 4 of those. I'm gonna be juicing some of them and then putting some in water for cucumber water. It's really good. If you haven't tried cucumber water and you hate plain water, try cucumber water. I got 3 cans of organic black beans. Gonna be using black beans this week for my protein. $115. So I got everything that I'm about to show you an overview of for $115, and it was a total of 50 items of beautiful, delicious plant-based food that's going to feed the body, heal the body, make you feel good, not make you feel tired, give you energy, give you sustenance. This is just a beautiful grocery haul of healing foods. And that's what I'm going for. I'm trying to lessen my sugar, you know, watch my processed food intakes, and just really intake more whole foods. Because, you know, you can be plant-based and not be healthy. Remember that.